when you look at the numbers, China has to import about 97 million metric tons of soybeans a year. They use about 111. All of South America anticipated in the 17-18 marketing year to export about 85 million metric tons. So with that might move up some, but so 97 versus 85, China could, if China took all of South American soybeans, they'd still be short. So what we've kind of touched off, I think, is a remix and shifting of the flows of soybeans. Now, granted, if you try to quantify, well, what's a 25% tariff on soybeans? What's that do? Well, it puts the U.S. at a price disadvantage for those people out of China, those companies that are seeking to buy soybeans. So what do? The first place they go to South America, and that's a problematic deal for them this year. There's a significant drought in Argentina, so you've shifted then the focus of China's buying to Brazil. If this business shifts, and we've seen market reports that it has from China to Brazil, they're suddenly trying to pull out of a situation where they already have port congestion and other issues. So suddenly you've got China with all its attention mainly at Brazil because Argentina doesn't have that much, and the other buyers in the world see, gosh, that's pretty high prices, and we're not paying this tariff, so we'll come back to the United States. So you're reshifting the flow of business around. Overall, I think in the bigger picture, I even with that reshifting, still when you'll have added a tariff onto whatever China still has to buy from the U.S., you've in a balance, kind of a mixed average deal, you've raised the price of soybeans in the world market, and for buyers, some paying tariff, others not, and with that you do cut back. There'll be some moderate to marginal decrease in the amount of soybeans sold on the market. This is sort of the last big ag card to lay on the table in these negotiations, and it's important, I think, to realize that this is an announcement of what would happen if negotiations that are forecast or anticipated to end in May don't end up with some type of an agreeable compromise for both parties.